If you want to get the most out of your smart TV, you're in for a treat. As you can see, it's all pretty simple, but there's one problem. I don't have the Play Store installed. Attention gamers, can you imagine holding a powerful PlayStation 5 in your hands, along with the amazing FIFA 24? Well, this could be your chance. Don't miss out. Join our exclusive giveaway today. But back to our topic. As you can see, the situation can get a bit tricky. Without the Play Store, things can look pretty bad, and we definitely don't want to deal with that. So, let's fix this. The solution is simple. Go to taguya.digital, a website you can access from any browser. Just to clarify, this isn't a promotion, but they do offer some great tools and advisors for various tasks. Today, we're focusing on one thing: downloading the Google Play Store onto your smart TV. Once you're on their website, select the option that suits your needs. In this case, we'll go with the one for downloading Google Play. The system will load the assistant and ask for your name. Let's say I enter Juan. It replies, "Hi Juan. I'm currently assisting 22 other users. How can I help you today?" I respond, "I want to download the Play Store." If that's not the correct command, don't worry. It will guide you and suggest the right one. In this case, it tells me to try download Google Play. I simply copy and paste the command and hit send. And here's where the magic happens. It checks if my laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the smart TV. I confirm, and this allows them to work remotely, configuring the device virtually. In just a few moments, the assistant sets everything up and lets me know that my smart TV has successfully established a secure connection. Now, all we have to do is wait a little longer for the installation process to finish. Once everything is ready, your smart TV will have the Play Store fully installed. It even runs a quick CAPTCHA to confirm everything is good to go. I should remind you that this process is done entirely through taguya.digital, using their Google Play download assistant. Once it's installed, your smart TV will have a fresh look, complete with access to the Play Store. With this, you'll be able to download tons of new apps like Disney Plus and even games. Isn't that awesome?